So obviously come to Cappadocia on holiday. Just went for a walk early in the morning yesterday, just around the back here near Sacred Mansion, and just walking along. Lots of dogs around, they're all happy, wagging their tails, and one just bit me on the ankle. Maybe a couple of seconds worth, and just walked off. And that's about it really. The pack, there's 4 dogs, a pack of them, and they were just happy. One has a collar, the other 3 didn't, and they were just wagging their tails, and yeah, as I say, just walked past and one just bit me. I guess it's like any country, it's very hard to keep on top of the population when they're as flourishing as they are. I guess have rangers or something come around and either put the dogs down or neuter them, or just make sure they're well looked after. That's about it really. It's all you can do. It's very difficult. Like it's one of those things that you have to spend a lot of money into doing it. Obviously the dogs weren't threatening, they weren't doing anything silly, it's just, I don't know why, they liked my leg. Well, it was just shock, yeah. As I love dogs, I've got a dog at home, I've always loved dogs.
Çok severim diyor. Benim de var köpeğim diyor.
It just happened. It was shock, more so than anything else. I wasn't scared, it was shock. Yeah, so I had my baby strapped to my chest. My wife had the son on the back as well, and my mother-in-law. So it's lucky it wasn't my son, because it would be a lot worse.
Evet, dün işte sabah saatleri 8 gibi müşterimiz yürüyüşe gitmiş Uzundere vadisine. Köpek tarafından ısırılmış, buraya geldi, yardım istedi bizden. Biz de hastaneye götürdük.